Hello and welcome to our video on the topic of Robotic Process Automation, or RPA. RPA is a technology that allows businesses to automate repetitive and mundane tasks by using software robots, or bots, to mimic the actions of a human worker. These bots can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, such as data entry, customer service interactions, and even complex process flows. One of the key benefits of RPA is that it can greatly increase efficiency and accuracy in the workplace. By automating repetitive tasks, employees are freed up to focus on more complex and value-added work. Additionally, RPA can reduce the risk of human error, which can result in cost savings and improved customer satisfaction. Another benefit of RPA is its flexibility. RPA bots can be easily configured to work with a wide range of applications and systems, making it a highly adaptable solution for businesses of all sizes and in a variety of industries. It's important to note that RPA is not a replacement for human workers, but rather a tool to assist and augment their work. RPA bots can work alongside human workers, complementing their skills and abilities. Overall, RPA is a powerful technology that can help businesses increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve overall performance. If you're interested in learning more about RPA and how it can benefit your organization, be sure to check out additional resources on the topic. In addition to the benefits we just discussed, RPA also offers a number of other advantages that can help organizations stay competitive in today's fast-paced business environment. One of these advantages is scalability. As businesses grow and evolve, the need for automation increases. RPA is a highly scalable solution that can easily adapt to the changing needs of an organization. This means that as a business grows, the number of bots can be increased to keep pace with the increased workload. Another advantage of RPA is its cost-effectiveness. Traditional automation solutions can be expensive and time-consuming to implement. RPA, on the other hand, is relatively quick and easy to set up and maintain. This means that organizations can start reaping the benefits of automation in a matter of weeks, rather than months or even years. RPA also allows for greater transparency and control over business processes. By automating tasks, organizations can collect data and metrics on how their processes are performing. This can help identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. It's also worth noting that RPA can be used in a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, retail, and more. In healthcare, for example, RPA can be used to automate tasks such as patient data entry, appointment scheduling, and insurance claims processing. In finance, RPA can be used to automate tasks such as account reconciliation and fraud detection. As you can see, RPA is a versatile technology that can bring significant benefits to a wide range of organizations. However, it's important to remember that RPA is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each organization will have its own unique set of needs and challenges, and it's important to work with a trusted partner to implement RPA in a way that makes sense for your business. In conclusion, robotic process automation is a powerful technology that can help businesses increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve overall performance. By automating repetitive and mundane tasks, employees are freed up to focus on more complex and value-added work. RPA is highly adaptable, cost-effective, and scalable solution. If you're thinking about implementing RPA in your organization, be sure to consider the unique needs and challenges of your business and work with a trusted partner to ensure a successful implementation. Thanks for watching.